Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we will be going deeper in the engulfing, but we will be going on the much lower time frame. I think we will go till the 15. Yeah, that's the max that I will go. I use the 5 also because the 5 sometimes there's patterns in the lower time frame, and with the patterns sometimes you can get also profit. But I will go today with the 1, the 30, and the 50. Let's start with the 1. Let me set the chart. Okay. Let's look for engulfing. As you guys know, engulfing, right? Engulfing is this and also this or this with this. Let me put this. Let me put the other color. This is mostly uh, the green one, and this is the red one, and also this is the other side. This is the green one, and this is the red one. Try to focus only on engulfing. Try to back test this also and forward testing. Okay, let's go to the engulfing. So as we look into the trend, let's say the trend from here to here is a uptrend, right? And they say never trade against the trend. But that is for the other video. Let's try to look at engulfing. I see engulfing here, right? And what did we see? The market came inside, and after that, came inside after the boom. The market got up. The other one, la 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 la. Also, you can see here engulfing. Yeah, but the market didn't came inside. If you look to the with the body, but if we try looking at the wick, then yes. And guys, this for gold is a lot of pips because let's say we took a trade here, short position. We took this, we put our stop loss. Let's say stop loss is 30 pips. So yeah, something like that here. And let's try, yeah, let's try only this. Nee, let's look how many pips it would reach. 49 pips. Let's say we had something like a rule for us. You can put a rule for yourself where you try to reach 30 pips. If 30 pips is reached, you go out of the market. Look, as you see, we already reached the 30 pips and you're done for the day. The only thing that, yeah, is the capital that you have. How bigger the capital, the bigger the capital, the more you make if we work with percentage. Because let's say I take a calculator, right? Um, let's say I take a calculator. If let's say I put $100, and I take, let's say we make 1% per day to make $1. But if you have, let's say, a 10,000 capital and you take 1% of that, you make $100. Let's say you make every day $100. In a month, you have, let's say, in a week you have 500 or you make 2,000. 2,000 is, yeah, I don't know where you guys live, but 2,000 is very decent. The only thing is you get your capital up and you go further. Okay, let's leave this for the other time. Let's looking at cell engulfing. Look at cell engulfing here. This is a cell engulfing. How many pips it got up? Almost 100. Okay, this is too much, but what we will do, let me go to the 30. Let's see what's happening. Maybe there's a look, there's an engulfing here. If we go to the 15, let's see if there was an engulfing. Yes, there was also engulfing here. And let's look. That's the thing also, guys. When you see your engulfing in the higher time frame, let's say, let's take this for example. Sorry, guys. If we are in the 1 hour, right? We saw, where is the chart? Yeah, here. We saw engulfing right here, but it's too big. You go to a 30, and you say, hey, another engulfing. So you make the zone or the box little. Then you go to the 15, you will see, hey, there's another engulfing that you can take. Here, no, let's say this one. This is engulfing in the 15. What did we see? The market came in this engulfing and after that the market gone. This is almost 100 pips. Not almost, almost 200 pips. So this is for now your support. Let me do this for you guys. This was this was a support till the support break, right? So the market came, blah blah blah, blah did this thing, and again, this was the resistance for this moment. This is almost 1 day. This was the resistance. Every time that it reaches, it got down. Till we see a breakout, and what did the market do? This. The market broke, the market retests, and boom. Look where the market was. With the break and retests for all the time. Here also you can see if I jump, but try me guys. If there's question, put it in the comment. I will answer it in the other videos. Also engulfing here, 15. Look how sharp it is. I don't believe in sniper entries. It's nonsense for me because we are not God. We don't create. We don't have the money like the big guys. We don't. If we trade with a $10, come on guys, with guys that has trillion, it doesn't do something for them. But anyways, yes, there's also engulfing. Look here, also 15 engulfing. The market came inside and boom, there it is. If you took, yeah, look, this is also engulfing. What did we see? The market came in, and bam, got down. This is, let's see, let looks at, okay, 20 pips. Yeah, also here in golfing, these little things, don't play with them. And golfing is a very powerful um strategy. Also here, right? You see the no, the market get up, came inside, and it was gone. But after that, the same thing happened, and then sometimes you gotta give your trade also some um space because this is it didn't reach the 30 pips, so you could hold you could hold it. So try to hold also your trades. That's the way to get more profits because if you close too early, you will make less sometimes. But if you reach your target, close it. Don't go further. Close it. Go another day, and you will get better and better. Try to build your capital. Don't be greedy. And yeah, let's go to 30 because the 30 we didn't look for engulfing. This is engulfing, and the market got down. This is also engulfing, and the market got down. The market got down, okay, a little bit, but yeah, because after that we saw the breakout of this. We saw the breakout here, We saw the breakout here. We got more came, play here in the resistance. And bam, the resistance becomes support, and then the market was up. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Hopefully tomorrow I will, yeah, not tomorrow, but hopefully the next video you will get more information, and I hope you guys comment, or I don't know if you guys have questions, but I see you guys in the next video. Bye for now and have a great day.